Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Tactical Expedition, and today I want to show you some equipments that I bought for 4Runner. But first off, these are all the countries that I visited in my lifetime, and hopefully I can extend further. And these are all the states, but I have to go visit some more, Colorado. I want to visit all these countries, and I want to Jamaica, Cancun, Mexico City, one day, hopefully. But I really want to go to Casablanca right here. And then I went to Western Europe and then Central Europe. I didn't go to the Eastern Europe side or Russia. Korea and Japan also. I haven't been to this, maybe not, I don't know. And Australia, New Zealand, and Fiji. For a tropical place, Fiji was #1 pick for me. Then it's Cancun, Hawaii, then Jamaica. That's my pick. Out of the city life, I have to say Vancouver is the best modern city, cleanest, no crime city I ever visited. Along with Japan and Seoul, Korea. Beautiful place that if I have to visit again is France and Italy, especially Rome. Hopefully you guys can take time and visit places, because once you go out of the country, you'll realize how different it is, the way of living and how they think and everything. So it'll be a good idea, I finally get to park on this side of the garage. I'm still keeping the look of dirty 4Runner, but eventually I have to wash it. I wanted to park here because tire carrier swings this way. So when I used to park on this side, it was hitting that wall, so I couldn't open it. What I'm missing on my car is winch. I don't have a winch. This is a hidden winch mount. I'm just waiting until I get the winch, because I ordered it from Warren. I bought most of the parts already. So let's look at it. I bought parts, and the last one is the winch that I'm waiting for, 10,000 pound pull. Hopefully I get to install it and I just have it on, because a lot of times I want to go off-roading by myself. I don't want to ask friends to go, because sometimes they're busy with family and stuff, and because of that reason, I don't get to go. So I didn't want to do that anymore. So I just want to self-rescue if I have to, because I have max tracks and roto packs and everything, up there. So that should help, but this is another layer of protection for me. First is I bought the Epic Tree Trunk Protector. It's a tree saver. Okay, so it'll look like that. My miscellaneous tools, Let's do this. Oh, just one mistake. When I was a probationary officer, I bought this cheapest knife because it said police, and I was so happy that I made, into the agency. So I bought this, but I regret it because it's the cheapest knife. It wobbles, it doesn't lock. I just use it for opening boxes. Anyways, so I opened that. So I got this version. It's a thinner version that holds up to 14,400 pounds. And okay, so it looks like that. And it has really high quality hardware in it. So that's that. Second is this is a winch hook, Epic winch hook. So they came out, so this is for 12,000 pounds. So they have a stronger one, 18,000 pounds, 12,000 pounds, and 5,000 pounds. But I just want to set everything to 10,000 pounds because my winch is 10,000 pounds and the car weighs 5,000 pounds. So I think you always double your car weight for, I don't know, but that's how it goes, I guess. And this looks nice. Look at it. This one is, so That's the fairlead. So it will go like that. Oh shit. Sorry. Oh man. Okay. So I didn't want to get the factor 55 because it's really bulky looking, and I kind of want to go everything worn. So this will be pulled tight to my synthetic line and then go in front of the fairlead like this. So when I open this up, this is the gunmetal, but it's a 1.5 inch, so it's a little bit wider opening. See, 1.5. Okay, so it looks like that. It's not that heavy. It's such a nice quality hardware. Wow. It'll kind of look like that, I guess. Looks nice. I didn't want to get the black one because it will be too not visible. So this is a gunmetal one, and I didn't want to get the chrome because it doesn't fit. So this color kind of fits this Toyota color, and obviously I'm from California. Best weather in the world, but most tax. I don't know if it's a rumor, but if Biden becomes president, they said California will have 62% tax. That's fucking crazy. I will immediately quit and move out of state. Because why would I work hard but give up half of my income to someone who doesn't work? That doesn't make any sense to me, and that's unfair for hardworking Americans. Anyway, enough about politics. So it will kind of go like that. Ooh, can't wait. Okay, and this is a regular shackle. This is for part number shackle kit. Come on. Okay, so it looked like that. It's just hardcore. Wow, it's nice. So I guess I can replace a Rhino with this, you know, something like that. You know, it's a little bit bigger size, but looks better. Or I know some people install this under here, right? Like this, 2 of them. Once the winch gets here, I will show you the installation video. Hopefully my buddy can install it for me. I bought some of camping gears, so I'll post that soon. And I miss going desert camping. Because I'm a police officer, I get a lot of weekdays off and I work most of the weekends, so it's hard to plan it with my buddies, you know? So that's why I sometimes want to go alone. My wife sometimes wants to go with me, but you know, you can't really wash yourself, and there's bathroom's always dirty, so she doesn't really like going. So just me and this car, you know. I love it. I love this car. You know what? Next house I'm gonna get a 3-car garage with a garage door that has 5 slats. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So that's like a standard home garage, but I want a little bit higher. So there's a lot of newer, I guess semi-luxury homes that have a 5, a little bit higher garage. So next house I get, either I will buy something like this and upgrade, or I'm just gonna buy something like that. And I don't care if the house is small or what. I need 3-car garage with a driveway and a high garage door. So anyways, thank you for viewing my channel, and I'll be back with more videos. Thanks guys.